Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Passions. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some trendy collections, really trendy one. So let me display pure handloom. And this one very elegant color combination, soft sober looks, premium quality Dupion tissue with silver zari border, wide border, silver sign all over base. Very nice look, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one full base part, very elegant color combinations, Dupion tissue silk with beautiful texture pattern weaving, self weaving all over base, silver zari border and have silver sign also, soft, comfortable, and summer friendly. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful fine silver zari stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part Dupion tissue silk with contrast silver zari wide border and very elegant color combination. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. For customize sewing your blouse, stitching your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one very beautiful one, same material but very elegant color combinations with butta work. Let me open. This one is Dupion tissue silk and beautiful fine weaving butta design. This one full base part, very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color with silver zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, very nice looks. This portion is border portions, 1 inch highlighted silver zari with beautiful weaving polka design border, Dupion cotton border and Dupion tissue silk base part, very elegant looks, trendy and fresh looks. And I will say this one is running blouse piece and this one full base part, very nice looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy daily looks. And this one also very beautiful one, have silver sign Dupion tissue silk, elegant color combination, silver zari wide border, silver sign all over base, Dupion tissue silk. And this one is pallu portions, silver zari highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, silver sign and all over base, silver sign all over base and silver zari border, full base part is texture weaving Dupion tissue silk. And this one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy daily looks. And this one very beautiful one, tissue linen, premium quality pure handloom tissue linen and grayish black shade with fine weaving design border, very nice look, silver sign blackish shade. And this one border portions fully fine silver zari with contrast color fine weaving border. And this one is pallu portion same. And this one is full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part, silver sign blackish shade. And this one is border portions, a fully fine weaving design work border. This portion is border portions and this one running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very nice and bright looks, base for your party wear, function wear. And I will suggest this silk material, self weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, tissue cotton material and very soft, comfortable, bright looks with highlighted border, contrast color. This one full base part, checks design. And this one is border portion, stripes pattern, contrast color stripes pattern border, tissue cotton. And this one pallu portions, contrast color with highlighted silver, highlighted golden zari with contrast color red shaded weaving design, highlighted pallu. And this one full base part, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is border portions, highlighted border and all over checks. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, bright yellow shade, red contrast border. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, heavy weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and bright looks. And also very beautiful bright looks based for your function wear, party wear, tissue linen, pure handloom, tissue linen base with highlighted border, golden zari and all over base, fine embroidery, floral butta work, very nice looks. This one is full base part, beautiful color, golden sign with golden zari, fully weaving border design, and this one full base part, beautiful fine embroidery, floral butta. And this one is pallu portions, fully golden patch pallu, and this one is full base part, very nice looks. This one is border portions, golden zari border and all over base, fine embroidery butta work, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh bright looks, gorgeous also. And I will suggest this silk material, golden shade weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. And this one, very elegant one, silver sign tissue linen, very elegant color combinations also. This one, full base part, brown shade with silver sign. This portion is premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen base, golden zari border, and this portion is border portions, pure linen by linen weaving polka design, very smart looks. This one is pallu portions, highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu, and base part is tissue linen silver sign, and this one full base part, very nice and elegant looks. Upper portion is silver sign tissue linen, this portion is pure linen by linen with beautiful weaving polka design, very elegant and trendy looks, smart also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright looks. And this one is a very beautiful one, tissue linen, silver tissue linen with beautiful contrast golden stripes all over base, very nice looks. This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen base, golden stripes, and this one is border, beautiful weaving border design, and this one is full base part, very smart trendy looks all over base, golden stripes. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu portions, beautiful one, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one is full base, very nice look, silver tissue linen. And I will suggest this silk material, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. This one also very beautiful one, pure tissue silk with Banarasi weaving work, tissue Banarasi, little stiff material, and this one full base part, heavy work, have sign also, tissue silk Banarasi. This one full base part, this one is border portions, fully fine weaving Banarasi work border, and full base part is beautiful butta design, very nice looks, base for your party wear, gorgeous look, all over base butta design, border portions also Banarasi weaving border, and this one running blouse piece, fully bouquet work running blouse piece, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful heavy fine weaving design work pallu, and this one is full base part, very nice looks, trendy and elegant one. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material, Banarasi weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. This one very beautiful one, tissue silk with contrast piping and beautiful designer work, mirror with embroidery design work, very nice looks. This one is full base part, golden tissue silk, this one is border portions, contrast color piping with beautiful border design, fully designer work, embroidery with mirror design, tissue silk material, golden tissue silk, and this one is running blouse piece, stripes pattern, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully designer work, contrast color magenta pink shade, pallu with beautiful design mirror with embroidery design, and this one is border portions, very nice looks, base for your party wear, function wear. And I suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and bright looks. And this one, very beautiful one, embroidery work, tissue linen material, golden sign, and all over base is beautiful fine embroidery work. Very nice bright looks, magenta pink shade, and this one is golden zari border, and all over base is beautiful fine embroidery work, golden sign, base for your party wear. And this one is pallu portions, fully gicha weaving design pallu, and this one is full base part, very nice looks, trendy one. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, very trendy and elegant, bright looks, gorgeous also. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also in a very beautiful one, pure handloom tissue linen with silver zari border, silver sign all over base with weaving polka design, very nice elegant looks, This one is full base part, premium quality, pure handloom tissue linen, silver zari border, and all over base is beautiful weaving polka design. And this one is pallu portion, silver white patch pallu, and all over base is weaving polka design, and base part is tissue linen, have silver sign, shiny material, and all over base is weaving polka design, very nice looks. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one is border portion, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material beautiful digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. It's in a very beautiful one, very nice color combinations, golden sign zari linen, golden zari border, and this one full base part, beautiful bright color combinations. This one is full base part, bluish golden shade zari linen with golden zari border, contrast pink, magenta pink piping, and this one full base part, golden sign zari linen weaving with beautiful base part, full base part is same plain with highlighted contrast piping, golden zari border, and this one is running blouse piece, very nice look. And this one pallu portion, same pattern, highlighted golden zari lines with beautiful base part, golden sign, base for your party wear, and this one is border portion, very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material printed, digital printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one very beautiful one, very nice looks, mirror work, Dupian tissue silk with beautiful texture pattern weaving design all over, and mirror design, contrast piping, and very soft one, summer friendly. And this one full base part, beautiful design work, mirror work, and this one is contrast color piping, Dupian tissue silk, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, highlighted stripes with mirror design, and this one full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part is beautiful texture weaving, Dupian tissue silk. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And today I have kept a beautiful saree, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue linen material, and all over base part is checks design, contrast blue checks, and this one is border portions, silver zari with contrast blue lines border, and this one pallu portions, beautiful contrast color, royal blue shaded stripes design pallu, and all over base silver sign, silver tissue linen with contrast color checks design, very trendy looks, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry and blouse also. If you want same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.